want to know one way to find out if you got a sensor bad or if you just got wiring that's bad. Here's a way to tell. Got no lights on, none whatsoever. Driving on pavement, just pavement, no problems. Gonna make a right turn up here and get on some gravel road. Let's see what happens. There's the gravel. Now remember, no codes. Alright, right now. There you go. Took longer than it did yesterday, but right when you start hitting the road, the gravel road, everything starts bouncing around. Probably the wiring is touching the ground or rubbing through. Only happens on gravel roads. So I just reset it and it goes away with the code scanner, but that's what happens. This sensor happens, this wiring problem happens to be the def doser wire, but it could be anything for anybody. A lot of times it just goes on when you get a lot of bumps, especially on a rough gravel road. Thanks for watching.